let's do this. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, teacher.
And what is the date today?
Today is Thursday.
Right, today is Thursday. It's 11th of July, 2025. And how are you, Macy?
Nice.
You're nice. Did you enjoy your day off? Because you didn't come to school last night, right? Yeah. Did you have fun? No? Okay. What about you, Zizu? How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. What about you, Mia? How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine as well. What about you, Kelvin? How are you? So. And what about you, Johnny? How are you? You're happy. I'm glad to hear that you're happy. What about you, Snow? How are you?
I'm happy.
You're happy too. Can you show me your happy face? Right. I love your dance. It's so cute. What about you, Dan? How are you?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Can you show me your happy face? What about you, Bob? How are you? How are you, Bob? You're happy, okay. You don't look happy. Can you show me your happy face, Bob?
Because I see an astronomy.
You saw an astronomy. What does that mean? What do you mean you saw an astronomy? Asteroids? Astronomy. You read? You watch?
Yes.
Okay, right. That's why you're happy. Okay, and what's our 4 rules inside the classroom? Yes, Macy. Speak English. Number 2, Mia. Have fun. Number 3, Johnny.
Listen to teacher and listen to your friends.
Listen to your friends and teachers. And last one, yes. Mia again. Last one. Yes, Mia.
Be nice to teacher and be nice to friends.
And?
Sit nice.
Very good. Be nice to your friends and teachers and sit nicely. Okay, let's begin. I say and you say half whole.
Half full.
Half whole.
Half full.
Okay, here we go. Everybody, look at the whiteboard. And Dan, what can you see on the whiteboard?
I see a number.
Yes, you can see numbers from 1 to
100.
1 to 100. Very good. And Snow, can you see the underlined numbers?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you please count, or can you please tell me the numbers that are underlined? Yeah. Everybody, look at. Okay, yes, Casey. What are the underlined numbers? Okay, right. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. So if you notice it, I underlined all the numbers by tens. Yeah, so if you count it by tens, then you get from 10 to 100. Okay, can we all count these numbers by tens? Everybody, 3, 2, 1, go! 10, 20, 30,
40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Very good. Now this time, Bob, could you please go to the board and can you please circle the number? Perfect. Can you please choose a friend? Okay, Jen, could you please circle the... Okay, can you give a number, Bob?
9.
9. Okay, very good. Can you choose a friend? Dan?
Children.
Calvin. Can you tell a number? Can you say a number?
100.
100. Can you please do it quickly, Calvin? Oh, what is it? What number is it? Okay, and can you please sit down? Can you please have it? Thank you. Okay, now listen, let's sing the song Nifty 50. But before we sing the song, what is the meaning of nifty? Very good. It's something cool or it's awesome, yeah? So let's sing the song Nifty 50. I want to hear from the boys. Okay, ready? Boys, I want to hear from you. Let's count
to 20, counting up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, counting there.
14, 16, 18, stuck at 20. That is plenty, counting just by twos, girls. Let's count up to 50,
counting just by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, next is 25, 30,
35, 40,
45,
then there's 50. That's so nifty, counting just by fives. Everybody, let's count to the 100. Counting
just by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40,
50, 60, 70, 80,
90,
at 100. We have ended counting just by tens. Very good. Moo, Snow, do you have a full plate of, I'm sorry, Snow, do you have a full plate of food for dinner? No, no, I don't. Very good. Johnny, do you have a full plate of food for dinner?
Yes,
Very good. Yes, I do. Mia, do you have a full plate of food for dinner?
No, I don't.
Again?
No, I don't.
Very good. No, I don't. Okay, now this time, let's read the poem all together. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Full place when we go to the table where we sit down to eat.
We fill our plate
With vegetables like carrots, beans, and beets. When there's comma, we have to pause a little, right? Okay, now this time, I want to hear from you guys. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I want to hear from the girls first. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
full place when we go to the tables where we sit down to eat.
Very good, boys. Ready?
We fill our plates with vegetables like carrots, beans, and beets.
Very good. And Zizu, what vegetables do we eat?
Rice, potatoes.
We eat
We eat like
what do we eat? What vegetables do we eat?
we eat avocado,
Carrots. What else?
beans,
Beans.
and beets.
Very good. So we eat carrots, beans, and beets. Very good. Okay, now this time, everybody, I want you to please stand up. Okay, and can you please stand up? Okay, thank you. I want you to please I want you to go around and ask your friend what's your favorite vegetable. Okay?
What is your favorite?
Begin. Can you please ask your friend what's their favorite vegetable?
What
Go.
is your favorite vegetable? What is cabbage and what is your raspberry?
What is vegetable? You can try your salad. What's your favorite vegetables? Carrots and zucchini. It's big like mom.
Okay. Are you finished? Okay, everybody please sit down. Good job. Good job. Dan and Bob, I heard them ask what's their favorite. I heard them ask about their favorite vegetable. Sarah, I didn't hear you. What's Macy's favorite vegetable?
Carrot.
Are you sure? Did she say carrots? What about Sarah? What's her favorite? Macy, what's Sarah's favorite vegetable?
Carrot, beans, and beet.
Yeah. Okay. What about you, Snow? Who did you ask? Johnny? What's Johnny's favorite vegetable?
Zucchini.
Johnny's favorite vegetable?
Johnny's favorite vegetable is zucchini.
Good. And what about Snow's favorite vegetable, Johnny?
So now is
Snow's favorite vegetable is carrot. Okay, very good. Now this time I want you to listen. I say and you say happy, happier, happiest.
Happy, happier, happiest.
I like that. Happy, happier, happiest.
Happy, happier, happiest.
Thanks, Kelvin. You did that, Kelvin. That was you. Okay. Now this time let's sing the song The More We Get Together. All together.
The more we get together, together, together. The more we get together, the happier we'll be.
For your friends are my
friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be.
The more we get together, together.
Together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be.
Are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more
we get together, the happier we'll be.
Very good. Sarah, are your snacks my snack? No. There aren't.
No, they aren't.
Okay, very good. What about you, Macy? Are your snacks your snacks? Are your snacks your snacks? Yes. Yes, there are. Yes, they are.
No.
Very good. Okay. Right, what time is it? Okay, now this time, I want you to, I say and you say, afternoon.
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 Okay, so, what time, Bob, what time does afternoon start? What time does afternoon start? What? It's, what time? Is it 11? Yes, Dan.
It's 4.
4 p.m.? What about,
1 p.m.
is it 1 p.m.? 12 noon or 12 p.m.? That's when afternoon starts. Yes, because 11 a.m. This one.
And this
Wait, let me show you a clock.
I can't.
I'm sorry, let me.
no, no,
Okay.
I can't see. I can't see, teacher.
Okay,
I can't see.
okay, it's a little small, but when the hands go on these sides, both hands go to 12, that is 12 p.m., yeah? If both hands go on this time, it means it's 12 p.m. So your lunchtime, that's when afternoon starts, yeah? 12 noon or 12 p.m.
Teacher.
Yes. Alright. Okay. Now this time, I want you to please listen as I read the story. What time is it? This morning, I got up at 7 o'clock. I got on the bus at 8 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, I was in class. At 10 o'clock, I heard a news story. At 11 o'clock, I sang a new song. It is now 12 o'clock. Okay, 12 o'clock is what we call noon. Yeah? So this afternoon at 1 o'clock, I will play outside. I get to swim from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. At 4 o'clock, I will ride the bus home. At 5:30, I will help fix dinner. My father will come home about 6 o'clock. This evening, we will eat at 6:30. At 7:30, I will get a bath. At 8:30, I will be ready for bed. When it's 9 o'clock, I will go to bed. By the time it is 9:30, I will be asleep. The end.
The end.
Yes. Dan, what time you got up this morning? What time did you get up this morning?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. or a.m.? What time did you get up this morning?
A.m.
Right, a.m. for morning, p.m. for afternoon, yeah? Okay. Let's do this. I want you to say first, and then you say, I say, and you say. Yes, let's start from Zizou. Nice. Very good. Sarah?
Or color.
Or corn or color.
Or color.
Macy?
Catch.
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 Very good. Bob? Earthers. Very good. Dan? Wheel. Very good. Snow? Old goat. Johnny? Earth first. Kelvin? Oi toy. Mia? It handed the loved the jumped. Very good. Zizou? Song. Sarah? I and sing. Very good. You guys are so good. Okay. After this, you will have your break time. I say and, you say bright, brighter, brightest.
Bright, brighter, brightest.
Bright, brighter, brightest.
Bright, brighter, brightest.
Very good. Light, heavy.
Light, heavy.
Light, heavy.
Light, heavy.
Peelings.
Feelings.
Peelings.
Feelings.
Soft, softer, softest.
Soft, softer, softest.
Again, soft, softer, softest.
Soft, softer,
Okay, good. Strong, stronger, strongest.
Strong, stronger, stronger.
Very good. Again, strong, stronger, strongest.
Strong, stronger, stronger.
Very good.